Pending orders will fail you most of the times if you are trading US30. For example, buy stop orders, sell stop orders, buy limits and sell limits and all that. So what really works for US30? Alright, so welcome to another of my video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to trade US30 successfully. But before that, we need to do a rundown of what happened and what is going to happen and what we are looking up to, because as a trader it is very important that on weekends you do a rundown of what happened and what is going to happen, and that's when your weekend is complete as a trader. So what has US30 been doing and what are we looking forward to? If you come to monthly charts, a lot of traders don't really understand what is time and price, or price and time in market. It's very important that you take note of price and time regardless of the type of trader that you are. Even if you trade 1 hour, you trade 1 day or 1 week, or you hold your trade for the rest of the year, it is very important to note what is happening and at what time it is happening. So the month has already gone to the last week of the month. Yeah, next week is going to be the last week of the month for trading, I think so. So whatever is happening is to complete the monthly candle. So it's important to look at the monthly candle. If you come right here, you can see that this candle here started the slow movement. Yeah, this was the candle that started to misbehave on a monthly chart, and it has been struggling to go up. So markets just made a complete clearing of the low of this would I say sluggish candle that occurred here. If you come to the daily, is it daily or weekly? Yeah, weekly. You can see how markets was jumping down. This was market hurrying to come clear this low here. So after clearing the low here, it's managed to close back inside of that same low a little. So what are we looking forward to? Let's see how next week goes, and if we have a jump to the upside, that means market has found what it wanted and it's time for we to look for our entry for the buy. Yeah, so when I said pending orders don't really work on US30, yeah, it's because US30 works in its own way and not like other pairs. That's why a lot of people are afraid to trade US30. So what really works here? What works here is price action and what price is currently doing at a particular time. So the best way to get the best out of US30 is for you to be on the charts at a particular time and seeing what is happening so that you know where to enter, because you can be right and still get stopped out. That's US30 for you. Let's how do we do this? Okay, I'm trying to show you a little trade that I take. So I think, yeah, if you come here, you can see this trade of mine I took here. This was my first 2 entries, my re-entry and another re-entry here, and this is where I got out of the trade. Yeah, so sorry. Another thing is to know when to enter a trade. There are 5 things. Yeah, there are 5 things about US30 that are very, very important for you as a trader. Number 1, when to enter. Number 2, where to place your stop loss. Number 3, when to re-enter. Then number 4, when to exit. And number 5, when to move your stop loss. Yeah, those are the 5 important things. When to move your stop loss, that is trailing stop. If you don't know when to move your stop loss and you are trading US30, you can move your stop loss to where you get stopped out and the market continues in your direction. That's US30 for you. So it's very important for you to learn and know how to move your stop loss accordingly and when to enter correctly. Like you can see my re-entries here. That was my very clean re-entries. I was just dancing around before it finally got there, and it was not a take profit, it was a manual exit. I monitored the trade. Now you see how the market reacted after I exited the trade, and this was a beautiful sell, but I was not interested. And then another buy here, but I was not interested. This line I'm drawing here now is what I'm waiting for the market to do for the new week. So I'll just see if it manages to react to this level. If not, I move on and find another good opportunity. Alright, so if you have already watched this video to this very last part of this video, it shows one thing, that you are enjoying the video already and you are eager to learn. And for this, I have already created a new Telegram community where I'll be dropping my setup and my educational content. So you can do well to find the link in the comment of this video so that you join and get the most out of your trading. And thank you for your time.